All right, what you are looking at is greenbriar, the young shoots, the young leaves of the greenbriar vine, and a little bit of wild lettuce and a little bit of curly dock. And we are cooking it on the rocket stove. Now, I like to pretty much steam or boil my vegetables, any type of vegetables, if I'm not eating it raw. And I will boil it or steam it. I do not cook in oil, so okay, this is a greenbriar leaf. Now, I've got other videos on all this stuff, identifying it and that sort of thing, but we're just cooking it today. That is a greenbriar shoot. Right there, the very tip of the greenbriar. It's like an asparagus. That's the leaves. Wild lettuce. And a little piece of curly dock. We're going to cook it up. It's already cooking. I'm going to throw these in there though. Cooking on the rocket stove. See how done they're getting? I've got another video on the rocket stove, how it works. It's kind of windy today, so a little rough trying to get her going here. You can see I cooked up those leaves. The young shoots of the greenbriar and the young leaves. A little bit of curly dock and a little bit of wild lettuce just to add to it. Oh yeah. Taking out some of this stuff. I'm going to take it out because some of it's done. Some of it's a little too done. All right, let's eat it like this. Poor man's food. All right, you don't have to cook it up that much. That's for sure. Oh man, that is super good. Super good. I am not kidding you. Holy cow. Man, I wish I would have got more of those bigger ones. That is very, very good. Man. Holy cow. You talking about good? I ain't even kidding you. Those three, wild lettuce, curly dock, and that greenbriar gives everything a very good taste. I would say cook it until it's kind of brown. That's when it gets that good taste. Oh my. Huh? Anyway. All gone. Sorry. I don't even think I've combed my beard today, but that was delicious. Food is everywhere. Absolutely, positively everywhere. Go get it. We'll see ya. Man, that was delicious. Cook it in water. Hey, if you eat butter, if you cooked it in butter or some kind of oil, whoo, it would be amazing. Young greenbrier shoots and leaves. Eat them by themselves or throw in some curly dock, wild lettuce, or whatever you can find. Man, we'll see you. Hey, I'm not an expert. Make sure you consult with a local expert before you go eating anything.